get up back to home feel. I said, one accident go on, and the baby want go a doctor. You get where me I come from? No, from morning me I call this man, me want me you. The man I tell me say me nah get back the pitney them, me nah get back the pitney them. Brother page when in Brooklyn. Yeah. Guys, him do anything, you know. And him do anything when I listen. And him lick out her teeth. I pick me them a fight her for her snack them when I bring down there. The little boy a fight her for her snack and kick her off of the bed. And Ariana says she lick up in the something on the bed and so comes the teeth lick out. So him not physically harm her. He not physically harm her. He not do nothing to her. You get me I come from? But what I'm saying is, him could have called me and said, this something baby, I want to bring her to a doctor, or you come bring her to a doctor or something. When I call her, I try to figure out what happened. He tell me say she had changed teeth. Exactly, accident can happen. It could have happened around me too. But the difference with me and him is, if me see one ants bite her and the ants bite her to have me video to send him. Because me no want none to happen in my care, and then you hear say, I me do it by me, like I me hurt her. So that's the reason why I am upset. And that's the reason why me come on here.
And you like,
teeth are saying what we kill you, you know? You can't catch abscess in a heap, you know? I say say name? Yeah, abscess? I know obsess.
Abscess.
How do you say obsess?
Abscess is kind of like something when they have boil.
Yeah, you can't catch abscess.
Yeah.
I just know one, but
me no know it.
You want too much, you want every time.
You can't pop.
You can't, man.
No, me bring her to the doctor. Me bring her to the doctor so I get the antibiotics them and stuff just now. But me have to go to the dental doctor tomorrow. I've got dentist tomorrow. Because she said because the teeth come out so far up, it can damage the teeth where would they on the inside. So remember there's a teeth under the teeth that come or up. I don't know I go, but one of the teeth did it. So I'm bringing her to go doctor Liqual. As me call her, I go straight to the doctor. What do you think me be? Or what do you take this to? All if me have to go beg and borrow the money me that do it. All if me have to sell when me not have me that do it. Mean.
Nice.
The one I know say keep refrigerated. I wonder if you go in our fridge. You should ask him socially.
Yeah, that's how we're going to.
Oh.
Until you buy it, you have to go in our fridge.
Me want to give me now and then when me go down, me put in our fridge or just pull it when me reach down.
When you reach down, every 12 hours you must take her. You give her no, you give her same time tomorrow.
I know it work.
Can't give you no.
But me wonder if you can pull and then go in our fridge.
When you go to bed,
you can pull and then go in our fridge though.
Yeah, then I eat for you though.
You put it on the fridge tonight.
What time? Okay, me can put it on the
yeah, give me no. I want you to go down.
I give you no. I'm more a tough thing, I'm more a name same way. Let it be.
So patient. Imagine how you had yesterday, though.
Imagine how you ball. I imagine how you bleed. Come.
I didn't look at mommy crying yesterday. When you take the phone,
Ariana, you make never call me long time.
when you take the phone from her, you take the phone from her.
Let me call her. Just today, let me call you if you access me. I'm gonna school. That's the only reason I make me call her. If me did try calling me, then me try to have me with hang up and give me nick.
Don't know, no say nothing else.
Can I beat you?
No, don't no question him doing. No say me. But I ask him a question. Nobody go screen a card. Make it put in all in.
Like,
This is the stars of the sky. You're my star. You're my moon. You're full of light.
Light. Come here and say, oh, more you sound weird, you know, girl. So how long you going to answer without teeth?
Until she turn 3 at least.
you know, I grow back.
You not going to grow back for now?
No.
No, I know.
A lie not tell.
Remember Ishmael one?
So if Ishmael teeth they come out little too, you know. I remember say I when he change out the whole line teeth, them feel it grow up.
10? I must see blood clot joke not run.
No, for real, nah, come back for now. I just other day for Ishmael one grow back. And he grow fatter than the rest. Cause the space we come out and remember with a tear out they can do the space to there.
And you got
So maybe we grow a little
space.
She just turned 2. She just turned 2. Oh God, I'm where God have mercy. Right, come baby. Poor thing. You know, understand now? And that is spoil up my pitney beauty. Come. Me can't believe say
Mommy,
so long.
so the reason it's two of my teeth, it's two of them teeth are bigger than the rest of my teeth is science.
Cause when them a drop out, you pop them out too fast.
No, no, for Asha.
Yeah, as they start wiggle, them pop them out, you know. So you make it have to drop out by itself. If you don't drop out by itself, it grow crooked. That's why I'm never bringing God the dentist, cause me want. So dentist can't do nothing to fix it, like to help it, if it grow back or help if it stop. The dentist can't do nothing, guys. To help it. No? Yeah, thief money. One of them.
They're not come.
You hear to you see? Eh?
They're not coming. They're waiting for it.
Man, me don't even know if I still want to come, brother. Kill him, man, kill him.
No, no.
When I get somebody,
Wow.
me get one something.
Yeah, come by my business.
Restriction. But me not do nothing.
No, no, no. So maybe see my drone it look like murder.
Yeah, Lord God have mercy. Probably you can't say a word neither. Eh?
No, in fact, you look happier now. Like somebody tell
Yeah,
us
can me bring her to doctor so me feel better. And people are cuss me and I be like, oh, everything me put on media. Eh?
They say, alright.
Me have to go bring her to dentist. Me get antibiotic and pain sitting.
I'm not happy about it.
Jano. Alright, yeah, me going to that. Remember, guys, remember. Alright, Barbie. Body, D body. Guys, bye-bye.